Hi, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. So the iron is almost ready to go. I still have to search around for another machine that has RAM chips and sockets. I do. Maybe while this is continuing to heat, put a little program in here. Print. Quote. Hey, where's the quote? Oh, what did I press? Oh well. Commodore 64. Oh, it's in reverse, but I don't think it's going to stay there. Surgery. Oop. Surgery. Space. Quote. Semicolon. Colon. Go to 10. Run. What happened? Did I not hit? What's going on here? Oh, okay. Something got squirrely in there. Okay, whatever. Commodore 64. Oop, what happened to the... Sometimes keys are still sticky. Semicolon, colon, go to 10. Run. What do you mean? Oh, go to 110. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I did that. Yep. Generally speaking, computers are pretty good at figuring out. Alright, now what is this weird crap? What have I done? Why is it stuck? The screen is stuck. Oh, I don't have time for this. Alright, just let it do its thing. Okay, it should be ready to... It's solder time. Now I am not going to attempt to solder the ground bus things first. I am really not. Now, are the pins still sticking up nice? Yes, they are. Okay, we're going to lay a little solder onto this corner. Hello, come on. Oh, that's a bigger blob than I would have liked, but okay, what the heck. And then we're going to lay a little blob onto this other corner, which are not the ground ones. And we're going to do the same on here to get the chip secure. All right. Now, is everything else still looking good? It is. Okay, now this will not take long. See, this whole operation should not take long. It just does. All right. So now, it goes very well. Heat, solder, heat, solder, heat, solder, heat, solder. Now here comes one of the ones that's on the ground bus. Heat, solder, and another one. The very difficult ones to get on, but easy to get it off. And now we are cooking with gas, as they say. Alright, that's one of them. One chip is done. We're going to be brave. We're going to start on one of the difficult pins here. Oh, that might have sucked up a little bit more solder than I would have liked. But you know, as long as they're not touching the other pins. Because I did once have where I actually had a couple of pins crossed. It was on a 6526 chip. And of course, I'm not sure what was going on, but I could tell quickly. Because something was weird immediately. I don't remember what it was. Now, let us look that over. Under the light. Indeed. Everything is looking quite dandy. So now, the tape that we're holding the sockets in place can come off and go away. And the sockets are good. Now, also, okay, that's that. This is the soldering iron, which is hot, can come out. See, look at how long that took. Hardly any time at all. Hardly any time at all. And there are two sockets on the board. Isn't it dreamy, screamy, whatever? All right. So now I have to go through other machines to look for RAM that is already loose. And I know I have some. I don't know what's going on over here. I don't know. You know what I might do, because I can, and I'm here. And it doesn't matter, because I don't have anything else turned on. I'm going to turn that pet off. And I'm going to turn it on. And then it's going to come up, and I'm going to type 10, print, quote, Commodore 64 surgery space, quote, oops, got an exclamation point, quote, semicolon, colon, go to 10. I'm going to type run. And now it's back to normal. Strange. Alright, I need to do a little bit of hunting, a little bit of searching, a little bit of praying. I'm going to look at this. I don't think the 64 has any RAM in sockets. I don't think so. This is one that has a C-Link in it, and I used to test things with. I don't think so. Nope. But I know somewhere, there is. I just don't know where. I don't think it's among the ones I have to fix. So that's enough for now. Battery's running low. Time to recharge. Time to reset. And hunt for things. So thank you for coming. We'll see you again. That's you know, if you've been watching this whole Tormenting saga, I don't think I've ever had more trouble getting RAM chips out. Anyway, things are cooling. We're moving on. Bye for now.